Railway transportation covers the main volume of cargo and passenger traffic, thus contributing to a steady functioning of most businesses. All means of rail transport are constantly upgraded, ensuring safety and regular operation of railways. However, in the process of operation, both in the carriages and rails, internal flaws are developed as a result of metal fatigue, which may cause severe accidents because of structural deteriorations. Therefore, the detection of flaws is a crucial technical procedure aimed to ensure safety of railway traffic. One of the most efficient systems of technical quality control of rails and train wheels is ultrasonic flaw detection technique, which guarantees the highest reliability of detection of dangerous defects. The manufacturers of such systems see their main goal in improvement of ultrasonic flaw detectors and the development of testing systems that will meet the ever-increasing requirements for reliability and accuracy of flaw detection technique. RDM Corporation, located in Chisinau, the Republic of Moldova, is a research and production enterprise designing and manufacturing flaw detection devices, founded by leading specialists in non-destructive testing of articles' quality, and becoming one of the major suppliers of ultrasonic flaw detectors. RDM Corporation employs about 120 people, including top specialists, researchers and engineers, carrying out research and experimental designing work in the field of flaw detection engineering. The corporation manufactures and supplies on the market ultrasonic flaw detectors specially designed for testing rails, rail switches, welded rail joints and railway car wheels with technical servicing. All the latest models featuring the most advanced electronic, acoustic and computer technologies surpass the comparable competitors' products by better technical and operational parameters, being very user-friendly and extremely reliable. RDM has developed and implemented a total quality management program in conformity with ISO 9001 requirements and was awarded a certificate of approval by London Bureau Veritas Quality International. Portable ultrasonic flaw detectors RDM-1 and its latest modification RDM-1M1 are designed for testing rail switches, lines and individual rail segments. Automatic ultrasound flaw detectors RDM-2 and RDM-22 is intended for revealing defects in both railroad lines along the whole length and across rail section, except rail foot blades, with continuous control at the movement speed up to 4 km per hour, as well as for selective manual control of welded joints, individual sections and portions of rail with determination of coordinates of revealed defects and their extent. Portable ultrasonic flaw detectors RDM-3 and RDM-33 are utilized to control welded zones and individual sections of rails. Flaw detector is intended for revealing cracks, incomplete penetrations, pockets, non-metal and foreign metal inclusions in zones of rail welded joints or facings, as well as cracks and delaminations formed in the main metal of rail structure in the process of operation. Depending on the software version, the devices can be used for quality control of technical means of transport, energy sector and other industries. The devices allow to memorize the control results with ultimate analysis of data received using your own digital high brightness display or computer monitor. Ultrasound flow detectors UDS-232 and UDS-252 SOND 2 are intended for control of axis and rail wheels. These devices can be demanded and efficiently utilized for control of welded rail joints, pipes, drilling tools and instruments in the energy sector, machine construction and transport. Hard and software complex RDM5C and RDM15K are located and assembled in specialized mobile flow detecting devices, implementing non-destructive control of railroads type P50, P65 and P75. This complex can be used for the re-equipment of ultrasound and magnetic flow detecting carriages under the combined control. Automatic ultrasound flow detector Aftacon MDTU is used for carrying out ultrasonic testing of welded joints and main metal of gas pipelines. Tests can be performed with an average movement speed of 2 meters per minute. Testing allows revealing of such defects as disturbance of continuity, with determination of coordinates of revealed defects and their provisional extent. Multipurpose hand flow detector CK-RDM is also intended for non-destructive control of materials, articles, welded joints for presence of defects. Thickness gauge UTS-01 RDM is intended for measuring the residual thickness of walls of metal articles made on the basis of rolled products of carbon and low-alloyed steels of structural brands, including metal structures covered with protective paint coating and subjected to internal corrosion or surface erosion. UDS-2 VF CVOM EP is a device for ultrasound flow detection of high-tension porcelain. This flow detector is intended to control all types of isolators made of high-tension electrotechnical porcelain. Apart from metal flow detection, RDM also elaborates medical detection devices. Portable electronic cardiograph CardioLife is intended to measure the parameters of electronic cardio signal, as well as graphic registration of bioelectronic potential of human heart, according to 12 standard and additional derivations. The information received is displayed on the monitor and registered into the memory of electronic cardiograph, and, when necessary, is transferred for recording via a thermoprinter on a thermal paper or via a PC and a printer on A4 sheets. RDM Portable Rheograph is a portable diagnostic multifunctional device. It is very compact, durable, does not require screening, and is absolutely safe both for the patient and for the user. The universality of the rheograph allows to examine the blood level and the condition of vascular system of virtually any human organ. Control and Protection Station SZ RDM is intended for protection, control and testing of parameters of submersible electric pumps or industrial installations driven by electric motors with power up to 160 kilowatts. The company is also manufacturing piezoelectrical transducers and resonators intended for both new and already operating flow detectors. All the devices have certificates of type confirmation used by national standardization agencies in Moldova, Belarus and Ukraine. The company ensures the